Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're from Pakistan and you've been hearing all the buzz about artificial intelligence, you're in the right place. Today, we're not just talking about it, we're diving deep into how you, sitting right here in Pakistan, can start earning a serious income with AI by 2026. This isn't just hype. This is a detailed roadmap. So grab a notebook, because you're going to want to take notes. First things first, let's get one thing straight. You don't need to be a PhD in computer science to make money with that. The game has changed. AI tools are becoming more accessible every single day, and the real opportunity lies in learning how to use them effectively. Think of AI as your super smart assistant, ready to work 24/7. Your job is to be the creative director, the strategist, the one who guides the AI to produce something valuable. So, where do we start? The absolute ground floor is content creation. This is probably the easiest entry point for anyone in Pakistan. We have platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude that are incredible for writing. You can start a blog, become a copywriter, or even write scripts for you. Imagine offering services on Fiverr or Upwork, where you can deliver high-quality articles in a fraction of the time it used to take. You could specialize in writing marketing emails, social media posts, or website content for businesses both locally and internationally. The demand is massive. And with AI, you can handle more clients and deliver faster, which means more income for you. Let's get practical. How do you do it? Start by mastering one AI writing tool. Spend a week just playing with it. Ask it to write in different tones: professional, funny, casual. Ask it to summarize long articles or create a social media calendar for a fictional brand. The key is to master prompt engineering, which is just a fancy way of saying you need to get really good at telling the AI exactly what you want. The better your instructions, the better the output. Once you're confident, create a portfolio. Write a few sample blog posts or ad copies. Then, create profiles on freelance platforms and start applying for jobs. Start with lower prices to build your reputation and get those first few 5-star reviews. Next up, let's talk about the visual side of things. AI. Art and graphic design. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E 3 are changing the entire design industry. You can now create stunning, professional-grade images from a simple text description. Think about the possibilities. You can design logos for Pakistani startups, create social media graphics for local restaurants, or even design t-shirts and sell them online. There's a huge market for custom illustrations, book covers, and marketing materials. Again, the process is similar. Pick one tool, maybe Midjourney, to start, and dive deep. Join their Discord community, see what prompts others are using, and experiment relentlessly. Learn how to describe lighting, comida, angles, and art styles. You could create a whole portfolio of incredible fantasy art, photorealistic portraits, or minimalist logos in just a weekend. Then, offer your services. You can sell your designs on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or directly to clients. Many businesses in Pakistan are still using outdated graphics. You could be the one to give their brand a modern AI-powered facelift. Now, let's move into a slightly more advanced but incredibly lucrative area. AI-powered video creation and editing. Tools like Synthesia or Hagen allow you to create videos with AI avatars just by typing a script. This is perfect for businesses that need training videos, marketing clips, or social media updates, without the high cost of filming. Then you have tools like Runway ML that can do incredible things with video editing, like removing objects, changing backgrounds, or even generating video clips from text. For you in Pakistan, this means you can start a video production agency without ever owning a camera. You can offer services to create short video ads for Instagram and Facebook. You could partner with educational institutions to turn their boring text-based courses into engaging video lessons. You can even start your own faceless YouTube channel on a topic you're passionate about. Create a channel that explains historical events, summarizes books, or teaches a skill, all using AI-generated visuals and voiceovers. The monetization potential through YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing is huge. So, what skills do you need? For this, you'll need to learn script writing, which you can do with the help of AI, as we discussed earlier. Then, you'll need to learn how to use these AI video platforms. Most of them are very user-friendly. Your unique value will be in your creativity ability to combine a good script, a suitable AI avatar, and engaging visuals to tell a compelling story. Okay, let's talk about another big one. AI automation services for businesses. This sounds technical, but it's becoming easier. Every business has repetitive tasks. It could be answering customer emails, managing social media comments, or inputting data. Tools like Zapier and Make allow you to connect different apps and automate these workflows. Often with the help of AI, you could position yourself as an AI automation consultant for small and medium-sized businesses in Pakistan. Your job would be to analyze their daily operations and identify bottlenecks. Then, you propose an AI-powered solution. For example, you could set up an AI chatbot on their website to handle common customer queries, freeing up their staff to focus on more complex issues. You could create a system that automatically generates social media posts from their blog articles. These businesses will happily pay you for the time and money you save them. This is a high-value service because you are directly impacting their bottom line. To get started, you need to become obsessed with efficiency. Learn the ins and outs of tools like Zapier, watch tutorials, build small automation projects for yourself, and understand how different apps can talk to each other. Then, you can start reaching out to local businesses. Offer a free consultation to show them what's possible. Once they see the value, they'll become paying clients. Now, for those of you who do have some technical or analytical skills, let's talk about data analysis and AI model customization. This is the next level up. Businesses are drowning in data they don't know how to use. You can use AI tools to analyze their sales data, customer feedback, or market trends, and provide them with actionable insights. For example, you could help a retail company in Lahore figure out which products are most popular at which times of the year, all by analyzing their sales history with AI. Furthermore, some companies might need a customized AI model. Let's say a real estate company wants an AI that can predict housing prices in Karachi. You could use existing AI platforms and train them on specific local data to create a custom solution. This requires more learning. You might need to understand basic Python and how AI models work, but there are tons of free resources online from platforms like Coursera and edX. To learn these skills, the earning potential here is massive because you are creating unique high-value tools that solve very specific business problems. So, let's put it all together into a 2026 action plan. Your first year, 2024, is all about learning and experimenting. Pick one area that excites you the most: writing, design, video, or automation. Dedicate at least 5 hours a week to mastering the relevant AI tools. Build a small portfolio of your work. Your second year, 2025, is about building your brand and getting clients. Create professional profiles on freelance platforms. Start a social media presence where you share your AI-powered creations. Network with other professionals and local business owners. Your goal for this year is to land your first few paying clients and build a solid reputation based on quality and reliability. By 2026, you should be in a position to scale. You might have a steady stream of freelance clients, or your YouTube channel might be monetized. At this point, you can think bigger. Maybe you can hire other people and start your own AI creative agency. Maybe you can launch your own online course teaching others in Pakistan how to do what you did. By 2026, you will have moved from being a learner to an expert, an earner, and a leader in this new AI-driven economy. The future is not about AI replacing humans. It's about humans who use AI replacing humans who don't. The opportunity is right here, right now. You don't need to move abroad. You can build a global career from your home in Pakistan. The tools are available, many of them for free or at a low cost. The only missing ingredient is you, your dedication, your creativity, and your willingness to learn. So, what are you waiting for? Pick your path, start learning today, and by 2026, you could be one of the success stories we talk about. It's not going to be easy, but it is absolutely possible. Thanks so much for watching this guide. I hope it's given you a clear and practical roadmap. If you found this valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on how to thrive in the age of AI. Let me know in the comments which AI path you're most excited to explore. See you in the next video.